Have you ever wondered how airbags are designed and tested for safety? It's a question that might cross your mind as you buckle up and hit the road, but the answer is far from simple. Airbags, those essential life-saving devices tucked away in our vehicles, have a complex design process and rigorous testing procedure to ensure they work precisely when we need them to. They are crafted with meticulous precision, their primary function being to shield us from the brutal forces of an accident. This video aims to shed light on the intricate journey an airbag takes from design to testing before it finds its way into your vehicle. We'll cover the basics of airbag design, delve into the complexities of the airbag system, explore the rigorous testing procedures, and wrap up with key points and a conclusion. If you're curious to know more, stick around as we delve into the intricate process of airbag design and testing. The design of an airbag is more complex than you might think. Let's dive right into the nitty-gritty. An airbag system comprises three main components: the airbag module, the sensor, and the inflation system. Each of these parts plays a vital role in ensuring your safety. Let's start with the airbag module. This is essentially the bag part of the airbag. It's made from a light yet durable fabric, typically nylon. The module is designed to withstand high pressure and at the same time be flexible enough to inflate quickly. When a collision occurs, this bag needs to inflate in a split second, providing a cushion between you and the hard surfaces of your vehicle. Next up is the sensor. This little device has a big job to do. It constantly monitors the vehicle's speed and deceleration. If it detects a sudden change, it sends a signal to the airbag system to deploy. The sensor has to be incredibly precise, as a false positive could mean an unnecessary deployment, while a false negative could mean no deployment when it's needed. Last, but by no means least, we have the inflation system. This is the unsung hero of the airbag system. It's responsible for rapidly filling the airbag with gas. The inflation system contains a mixture of chemicals. When the sensor signals a collision, these chemicals ignite, creating a gas that inflates the airbag. This all happens faster than the blink of an eye. Each of these components is critical to the overall function of the airbag system. They work together in perfect harmony, ensuring that the airbag inflates at the right time, at the right speed, and with the right amount of force. Now that we have a basic understanding of the airbag system, let's discover how these components are designed. Designing an airbag system involves a blend of engineering principles and safety considerations. This intricate process commences with the design of each component of the system, each playing a crucial role in ensuring the airbag's optimal performance. Let's start with the airbag itself. The size of the airbag is a critical factor. It needs to be large enough to protect the occupant, but not too large that it causes injury. This delicate balance is achieved through meticulous calculations and simulations. The material used for the airbag is also of paramount importance. It needs to be durable yet lightweight and flexible enough to inflate rapidly and cushion the impact effectively. Nylon fabric coated with silicone is commonly used due to its ideal properties. Next up, we have the inflator, the heart of the airbag system. The inflator's job is to fill the airbag with gas, and it needs to do this incredibly quickly. The rate of inflation is a key aspect of the design process. The inflator must fill the airbag in approximately 25 to 50 milliseconds. That's faster than the blink of an eye. To achieve this, a combination of heat-resistant materials and fast-acting chemical propellants is used. The sensor is another crucial component. It detects a collision and sends a signal to the inflator to deploy the airbag. The sensor's design must ensure it responds only to serious collisions and not minor bumps. This is achieved through the use of algorithms that can differentiate between serious impacts and everyday driving events. Finally, the airbag system is designed to work in harmony with the seatbelt. The seatbelt restrains the occupant while the airbag cushions the impact, providing a double layer of protection. Designing an airbag system is a complex task that requires a deep understanding of physics, material science, and human anatomy. It's a fine balance between speed, size, and sensitivity, all working together to save lives. After the design phase, rigorous testing begins to ensure the airbag performs as expected. Testing is a crucial phase in the airbag production process. It's during this phase that the airbags are put through rigorous trials to ensure they're up to the task of protecting passengers in the event of a collision. The types of tests performed on airbags are many and varied, each one playing a vital role in establishing the airbag's functionality and reliability. First off, we have deployment tests. These tests are designed to make sure that the airbag deploys correctly and at the right time. The airbag is placed in a mock vehicle setup, a collision is simulated, and the deployment of the airbag is carefully observed. It's absolutely vital that the airbag deploys in a fraction of a second and in the right direction, as any delay or misdirection could make the difference between life and death. Next up are durability tests. These tests are designed to ensure that the airbag can withstand the wear and tear of everyday use, as well as the extreme conditions it might face during a collision. The airbag is exposed to high temperatures, high pressures, and high-speed impacts, all to ensure that it will perform as expected when it's most needed. Finally, we have environmental tests. These tests are designed to make sure that the airbag can function in a wide range of environmental conditions. The airbag is exposed to extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, as well as high humidity and even water submersion. The goal here is to ensure that the airbag will work no matter the weather conditions outside or the conditions within the vehicle itself. Each of these tests is crucial in its own way, each one helping to ensure that the airbag can do its job when it's most needed. They test the airbag's speed, its strength, its durability, and its ability to function in a wide range of conditions. They ensure that when you're driving your car, you can trust that your airbag will be there for you if the worst should happen. Now that we've explored how airbags are tested, let's summarize the key points we've learned. Airbag design and testing is a complex yet critical process in vehicle safety. Let's recap. The journey of an airbag starts with its design, where engineers focus on the right materials, the precise amount of inflation gas, and the exact deployment speed. They make sure the airbag is both strong and soft to cushion the impact and protect you in a crash. Next comes the airbag system design, where the sensors, control module, and inflator work in harmony. This system is calibrated to respond in milliseconds when a crash is detected, triggering the airbag to inflate at just the right moment. Lastly, rigorous testing ensures everything works as planned. Simulations, dummy tests, and real-world scenarios verify that the airbag will perform when it matters most. Every step, every detail is crucial in safeguarding lives. The next time you hop into your car, you'll have a deeper appreciation for the technology keeping you safe. The humble airbag.